Can I get viruses from installing third-party apps on LG Smart TV?
In this video, we will discuss the potential risks associated with installing third-party apps on your LG Smart TV and how to minimize those risks.
What are third-party apps?
Third-party apps are applications that are not officially supported or distributed by the manufacturer of the device, in this case, LG. These apps may be developed by independent developers or companies and may not have undergone the same level of security and quality testing as official apps.
Can third-party apps contain viruses?
The short answer is yes. Third-party apps can potentially contain viruses or malware that can harm your LG Smart TV. Since these apps are not officially supported, they might not have undergone the same rigorous security checks and could be more vulnerable to security threats.
How can I minimize the risks?
To minimize the risks associated with installing third-party apps, follow these tips. 1. Do your research. Always research the app and its developer before installing it on your LG Smart TV. Look for reviews and feedback from other users to ensure the app is trustworthy. 2. Use caution with unknown sources. Be cautious when downloading apps from unknown sources. Stick to well-known app stores or repositories whenever possible. 3. Check app permissions. Before installing any app, make sure to review the permissions it requests. If an app requests excessive permissions that seem unrelated to its function, it could be a sign of a potential security threat. 4. Update your TV's firmware and security software. Regularly update your LG Smart TV's firmware and security software to protect against known vulnerabilities and security threats. While it is possible to get viruses from installing third-party apps on your LG Smart TV, being cautious and following the tips mentioned in this video can help you minimize the risks. Always prioritize your device's security and only install apps from reputable sources. Remember, when it comes to your LG Smart TV security, it's better to be safe than sorry.